afternoon and welcome to our Mastering Your Feed Margin webinar. Today we are pleased to present our first ever virtual education session in the Ontario and Western provinces. Our program today builds on decades of experience in the delivery of similar programs through in-person settings in Quebec and Atlantic regions.
When was the last time that you or your farm advisor calculated your feed margin?
I'd like to remind everyone that farmers are facing all kinds of challenges. Feed cost, that's the big challenge we have now. These days, the grain market is very strong. We also have to recognize that at least the milk market is pretty good. Forage cost and concentrate cost fed to dairy cows and to the replacement herd, we're talking roughly 40 to 45% of your milk check. You would be surprised, some farms, their cost of concentrate is less than $10 per hectoliter. Some farms, it's in excess of 20. We are going to demonstrate how simple it is to figure out your feed margin. We understand that farming is keeping you very busy, and if you do not have the time to review the feed margin for yourself, it's kind of important that someone give you some help to do it.
Lactanet is offering 2 hours virtual workshop that will be guided by one of us, either Jean, Catherine, or myself. The calculation of your feed margin is included in these workshops. Our producers will be grouped together based on their management or farm type to discuss feed margin and possible solution with each other. We will map out all the margins of the participants anonymously on a graph and make comparison and learn more about what producers are doing to achieve their results. We will have groups for robotic farm, organic farm, large herd, or general session for producers that do not fall into one of the specific management type. We will be holding a total of 4 workshops in the Western provinces and 5 workshops in Ontario, and these workshops will have a maximum of 10 participants per session. To register to these workshops, please contact your Lactanet technician. A special thank you to Farm Credit Canada and EastGen for their contribution to our workshops in Ontario, and to WestGen for contributing to our workshop in the Western provinces.